What's going on there, guys? RCA Vlogs back with another video, and today we're off to Buxton. We're at a charity meet on the stand with Extremebhp. We're riding shotgun with Mr. Rick today, and we're gonna see what's the crack. We got camera gear in the back, all loaded up, ready to go. Phone's fully charged, vlog started. Let's crack on with this video. So we've just met up with Ginge, who you will remember from the last video. We are now on our way to Buxton, get our asses into this meet, get set up, and I will pick the vlog up there, because right now it's just a lot of motorway miles, a lot of just driving in a straight line pretty much. And no one wants to see that now, do they? Well, after a nice long drive and going over some roads that didn't even know existed, we have arrived. We are now just in the queue. See Ginge hiding there. Get him on camera. But yeah, we have arrived. We're just in the queue to get in. Buxton Rugby Club. Got to get in, get the stand sorted, get the camera gear out. Day start and actually get some work done, because the drive's the easy bit. Actually showing up and doing stuff is the hard bit. Let's see how it turns out. We have arrived, building the stand up. We're getting Ginge at the back so I can use him as a bit of a boost again. And Josh's baby's out, but we'll be getting pictures of that soon. Get everyone in position and then let's start. Woo!
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking of every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch.
So, cars are in position. Show is started. I'm going to go wandering around, getting pictures and some footage. You're probably not going to hear me talking much this video because I don't really have much to say at the moment. If anything funny pops up, that'll go in, especially if I get it on film. And yeah, sit back, relax and enjoy this Buxton meet that we're all at. And here is the camera car, because I know Ginge will want it featuring. So that is the car that I'll be standing on, getting all the high panning shots, high shots. I might have a chat with some of the car owners and see what mods have done. So keep watching and I will catch up with you at the end of all this. Keep going. So we're now going for a wander round. Hey look, it's the tall man again. So going for the wander round, see what's here, because we're on the lower bit and there's a higher bit and there's all different sections to this. So we're going to go section by section, see what's here, see if we can see anyone, and crack on. So enjoy this bit of B-roll, guys. Just wandered back up to the entry, having a look at some of the stuff that's up here. But the thing that I want to see most is behind me there. It's an Avengers truck. And it looks mint because Avengers. So yeah. Right, I'm going to call the vlog a day there because I've got pictures to go and take, and so I thought I'd give a general idea of what the event's feeling like, who's here, what's going on, and I think I've done that. So I'm keeping this one under 10 minutes. I will catch you all in a bit. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one.